Hi guys, and welcome to another office area wherein now we're going to talk about utang. So, hopefully mazuzoom ko pa to kasi ito yung listahan ng mga current ko na utangs. So, since I have started cash stuffing last year, I have cleared G loans, yung G credit na chronic and 90% ng aking S loans. So, ito na lang yung mga natira. Ito na yung mga mabibigat, kumbaga. So, let's start with G credit. Hindi mo naman yung G credit may nakalista na 2,195. So, yung ibang subscriptions ko like yung Google, doon na sila nagcha-charge. So, I treat this like a credit card. So, ngayon, babayaran pa natin on the 26th. I think mas mataas to, but I cannot access GCash right now to double check. So, as much as possible, hindi ko na po to ginagamit dahil napakalaki po ng interest ng G-Credit na sa 7%. Diba? Watch out. So, aside from G-Credit, another active line of credit that I have is my BPI credit card. So, currently, yung BPI credit card, may na-swipe ako this month, mga 20,000 na lang. So, from 28, may nabayaran na akong partial na 10K, so 20K na lang. And part of it were plane tickets, which I hope dahil in-applyan ko naman ng 0% interest for 3 months. Pero hindi pa siya nagre-reflect sa app. Kasi alam niyo naman, ang BPI lately, 'di ba? So, yun. So, I did not put the BPI CC muna dito para hindi magulo. So, ito yung mga standing loans. So, yung S loan ko, ito yung pinakamaliit. 1415.74 every first of the month. So, yung next payment is on August dahil nakapag-advance ako last time. Binayaran ko na po yung July. So, yung total na lang na natira is 4,247.27, which I hope to pay off earlier than yung last month niya, which is 3 August at mga October. So, yun. So, I hope ma-pay off ko na to even before October. Next is CIMB. Ito siya actually was a previous line of credit, yung Revi credit. Pero, dahil puro lang minimum amount due yung nababayaran ko, they converted it into a loan. So, ito na po yung magiging monthly, yung 8719.37 due on the 1st. And nakapag-advance po ako for July. July daw yung first month. So, nakapag-advance ako. So, yung next is sa August yung next na babayaran. So, sa August, mga around 2,930.63 na lang kasi nasa 11,600 yata yung na-advance ko. So, almost 2 months na due yung na-advance ko. Tapos, yung total pa niya is 130,109.71. So, ilalagay ko yung interest rates. 7%, 4.95. This one is 5. So, ito yung BPI credit card ko na care of parents, which I give 12,300 monthly. So, hanggang 2028 din yata to because previously I owe about malapit na mag 300K in credit card debt. So, they offered to pay my debt as a whole, tapos in return, I pay them monthly. So, ito, yung binigay sa akin na ng parents ko was 3% yata. So, yun. I try to pay them monthly. I think nakapag, 3 months, 2 months, nakapagbayad na ako. For this month, may kulang pa akong 5,000. I already gave 8,000 na. For home credit, this one, napakatagal nito. Kaya sabi ko, parang gusto ko na siyang matapos. 6,202. So, every end of the month, mangungulit na yan sila hanggang first. So, actually, yung totoong due date niya is during 1. Pero dahil sa kakulitan nila, minsan, nagde-debit na sila earlier than 1. Grabe, no? Kaya sila pinatawan ng penalty ng SEC yata. Kasi ng practices nila sa pagpaningil. So anyway, I still have a balance of 167,454. So, yung CIMB, yung BPI parents at mga tag 6 digits pa na siya na utang. So, the 3 of these sa 2028 pa talaga ang tapos. Yung home credit, malaki din yung interest na sa 5. So, BPI personal loan nasa less than 1%. Yung interest, and this just nagsimula lang yata to last year. So, I pay 8255.44 every 22nd. During, ngayong June wala pa, pero may nalaan na akong 5K. So, kailangan ko na lang mag-raise ng 3,255 para mabayaran na siya. Of course, I still have dues for pay later, pay later, and last pay, which I hope hindi na madadagdagan after my shopping spree this month. Nag-shopping spree po ako, guys. So, it's not my best month. Yeah. And aside from that, meron tayong mortgage at GSIS loans, which hindi na natin ilalagay dito kasi magko-complicate pa lahat. Yung GSIS, hindi ko na to mafe-feel kasi nagbabawas po siya sa sweldo. Pero my father told me na as much as possible, pwede mo naman siyang bayaran in advance. Siguro, if ma-finish ko na lahat to, yung GSIS na naman yung tututukan ko. Bakit kaya ako naglista ngayon? Dahil I'm planning to get an auto loan. So, kailangan ko tara ng sasakyan to get around. And hindi ako sure if kaya ko nang monthly additional na utang. Although I have cleared small utangs before, hindi ko alam if it can amount to a monthly of a car. So, sa ngayon, meron naman akong napag-ipunan na for down payment. But I am also not sure if yung down payment ko will be enough to bring down the monthly amortization of the car. So, yun.